Alright, what's up guys? Welcome back, and today I'm going to share with you just a very quick restoration that I did. I don't know, it's not the best, but I didn't put a lot of time into it. But I think it turned out fairly well. The chip there that I just decided to try and round it a little bit and fix it. But this was in this axe. Well, I think it's a roofing hammer. Not quite sure. But it's got a hatchet on this end and a hammerhead on this end. And I think it's for laying shingles or whatever. Correct me if I'm wrong. But yeah, it was in the pile of old tools that my grandfather gave me. And I decided to keep the kind of rough finish. I just wire brushed it, and cause I figured I'd probably end up using it here and there, so I didn't want to like fully bring it back to a polish like I see these other people do. Plus I don't have the time to do that. But this handle I made out of just a bush that we have in the yard that died. And it's extremely hard, and then I just put like a stain on it. And it looks kind of cool. It looks like something you see out of like the Lone Dark. And sorry for the noise, they're found like cement next door for a shed. But yeah, thought I'd just let you guys check it out. Doesn't really have a grain because it's like a lamb, I guess. I don't know. Never made an axe handle. Wrangler Star makes it look very easy. It is not very easy. I need to go back and watch his videos again. But I had some gap around the top, and I just filled it in with some glue to cover up my mistakes, which, you know, he'd roll over dead in his grave, but it works. And this was the tip of a knife I had to grind off. I didn't have any wedges around, but I think it'll work. Not the best job. It's not easy. It's not, definitely not as easy. And I hand carved like the whole handle with a knife, and I tried making some curves in there. Kind of turned out alright. The only bad thing is it's catered towards left hand because I'm left-handed, so I kept holding it to see if it was comfortable with my left hand, so now it feels like uncomfortable with if you're using your right hand. So food for thought. And yeah, I think it turned out pretty good. There's the brand, if you can see it. Let's see if I can get it to focus in on that. Hold on, here we go. Focus. There you go. Pretty neat though. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I've used it a little bit. Works pretty good. Of course, the stuff I was trying chopping. Let me show you guys what I made the handle out of. It looks something like this. And it's not very easy to work with at all. But it's super strong, man. But yeah. If you guys have any tips, let me know down in the comment section. That'd be muchly appreciated. But like I said, you know, I have a son and stuff, and I don't have a lot of time, so I pretty much just came out, worked 5 minutes here, 5 minutes there, 5 minutes here. That's literally how I made this. So I wish I could make a video on me restoring a full tool, but you know, I'm not gonna sit there and splice 5-minute videos together. Don't have time for that. But anyways, catch you guys later. Peace out. Don't forget to subscribe and stay tuned for more.